Hi friends! What is Python? Why Python is so popular? What are the features of Python? In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions about Python. Now, before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for getting all of our future videos. With that, let's go ahead with the Python. Initially, what is Python? Well, Python is a high-level, general-purpose and a very popular programming language. The implementation of Python was started in December 1989, by Guido van Rossum. In February 1991, Guido van Rossum published the code. Python is, currently the most widely used, multi-purpose, high-level programming language. Python allows programming, in object-oriented and procedural paradigms. Python has simple syntax, that allows developers, to write programs, with fewer lines than some other programming languages. For printing Hello World in Python, the syntax is given below. The biggest strength of Python is, its huge collection of standard library, which can be used for machine learning, GUI applications, web frameworks, image processing, web scraping, test frameworks, multimedia, scientific computing, text processing and many more. Why is Python so popular? Number 1. Easy to learn and use. Python language is incredibly easy to use and learn for new beginners and newcomers. The Python language is one of the most accessible programming languages available. It has simplified syntax and not complicated, which gives more emphasis on natural language. Number 2. Free. Python is an open source language, which makes it free for everyone to use. Number 3. Library and support. Python has a great community, who constantly make libraries, and help those in need. Number 4. Applications. Python can be used for any kind of environment, like mobile applications, desktop applications, or web development. Python is in high demand for its incredible features. Python provides many useful features, which make it popular and valuable from the other programming languages. Here are some features of Python. Number 1. Easy to learn and use. Python is easy to learn, as compared to other programming languages. Its syntax is straightforward, and much the same as the English language. Number 2. Expressive language. Python can perform complex tasks, using a few lines of code. A simple example: the Hello World program, you simply type, print Hello World. It will take only one line to execute, while other languages takes multiple lines. Number 3. Interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language. It means, the Python program is executed one line at a time. Number 4. Cross-platform language. Python can run equally on different platforms. We can say that Python is a portable language. Number 5. Free and open source. Python is freely available for everyone to use. Number 6. Object-oriented language. Python supports object-oriented language. It helps programmer to write reusable code and develop applications in less code. Number 7. Large standard library. Python provides a vast range of libraries for the various fields. Number 8. GUI programming support. Number 9. Integrated. Number 10. Embeddable. Number 11. Dynamic memory allocation. These are the main features of Python language. Well, we discussed the answers for the questions: what is Python? Why Python is so popular? And, what are the features of Python? Now, let's take a look at some of the Python programming exercises. You have given a timer, and you want to solve the Python program within the given time. Take it as a challenge, and solve maximum problems. Are you ready? Let's begin.